Charlotte, North Carolina pressure washing. If you are searching for professional pressure washing in Charlotte, North Carolina, this video breaks down everything you need to know about picking the best company, understanding the process, and achieving outstanding results for your property. We offer top-notch pressure washing services for your driveway, sidewalk, and patio in Charlotte, North Carolina to keep them looking like new again. Our team is equipped with the latest technology to tackle tough stains and grime on your home's exterior, including concrete, brick, and stucco surfaces, leaving your property clean and refreshed. As a homeowner in Charlotte, North Carolina, you want your property to look its best at all times, especially when it comes to the exterior surfaces that bear the brunt of the elements. Our team's approach is focused on teamwork and coordination, with each member playing a crucial role in delivering exceptional results for every job, from driveways to porches. When it comes to pressure washing services in Charlotte, NC, our team understands the importance of protecting local businesses and homes from costly damage. Regular cleaning can help prevent slippery surfaces that lead to accidents, which is especially crucial for commercial properties like restaurants and retail stores in uptown Charlotte, North Carolina. We know that property owners in Matthews, Mint Hill, and other surrounding areas want to maintain their investment and keep their buildings looking great year-round with regular pressure washing maintenance. At a lower cost than hiring a professional crew, our team can also help you save money on your annual maintenance by reducing the frequency of costly repairs. By choosing us for your pressure washing needs in Charlotte, NC, you're not only getting top-notch service, but also supporting local businesses and contributing to the growth and prosperity of our community. Our team is trained to tackle tough grease and grime, removing it all down to the metal so you can enjoy a like-new look without the hefty price tag. We pride ourselves on being environmentally responsible, using eco-friendly cleaning solutions that won't harm local waterways or wildlife, ensuring a cleaner Charlotte, North Carolina for generations to come. Regular pressure washing can remove dirt, grime, and damage caused by weather conditions, improving your home's exterior and increasing its lifespan with regular maintenance from a professional service. If you are looking for pressure washing in Charlotte, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help. Get a free estimate and schedule your cleaning today with our reliable pressure washing service. Click the link below to learn more